If you have puffy under eyes but only have a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to do a quick and effective massage routine to eliminate the puffy under eyes so you can get out the door. Okay, so to begin with, let's get our hair up and out of our face. I'm going to grab a spray bottle of water, and this is an oil blend. I have a few plant oils along with some essential oils of frankincense and lavender, but be careful if you have sensitive skin, maybe omit the essential oils. I'm testing this blend out that I have made, so I have not had conclusive results on it yet. Okay, so we're going to start with misting our face, neck, and chest. And just take a few drops of oil. And I have a mirror over here, which I will be looking into. Just take your ring fingers and gently press the oil into the eyes, above the eyebrows, around the temples, around the ears, down the neck, and the chest. So let's take the palms of our hands and just gently form a cup, and we will squeeze our armpits about 10 times to start opening up the lymphatic ducts. Okay, now that we're done with opening up the ducts in the armpits, we are going to work above the collarbone. And the same thing, do not do a deep or pressure that is too hard because we don't want to collapse the lymph vessels. Just gentle pumping. Okay, and then from there, we are going to take our hands into a V shape. If you can't do that, then maybe you could use your 3 fingers and then the index finger separate. But if you can do this, you can do a V shape. And you're going to put it on both sides of the ears. And we are going to massage forward 5 times and backward 5 times. Gentle circles. Okay, same thing, go back. Don't press too hard. And we're now going to connect all 3 of those spots. 2, 3, and use a feather light touch. 4, 5. Okay, so from there we're going to start doing some acupressure around the eyes. We're going to start with in between the eyebrows. You'll always feel a little divot where there is a point for applying acupressure. So if you put your index finger in between your 2 eyebrows, and you can do some circles one way. And we're going to do circles the other way. This pressure is about a medium pressure, a little bit more pressure than the lymphatic drainage massage, but not too hard. We're not doing a deep tissue massage here. Okay, so from there we're going to take our index fingers and we are going to put it on the inner part of the eyebrows Same thing, you'll feel just a little indentation, and you can press right there, medium pressure, and we are going to do it circles in one way. And let's do circles the opposite direction. Okay, so now we will take our index finger, put it on the middle part of the eyebrow, right in the middle, and press down medium pressure. And you can do it one way 10 times and then the other way 10 times. Slow circular motions. Remember to breathe and relax. Don't tense your shoulders or your neck while doing this. Other way. Okay, so for the third point, we're going to take our index fingers and we're going to put them in a point that is just below the pupils of your eyes. And you're going to come down below. Here's the ridge of the orbital socket. We will come right below that and press there. And we will do circles each way 10 times. Okay, so we will actually repeat this sequence 2 more times. Now you know what to do, just follow me. Okay, so now we're going to take our ring fingers and our pinky fingers and do a gentle sweeping motion up to the temples, down to the ears. Follow me, we're going to do this 10 times. Very good. Now we are going to take our ring fingers, and you can do like a hook, and we're just going to take the edges and sweep the eyebrows to the temples down to the ears. Same thing, 10 times. Okay, so from here we're actually going to take our ears, including the lobes, and we're going to circle our ears 5 times forward and 5 times back. Okay, so from there we're going to take our V hands and put it on both sides of the ear, forward and back, or back and forward. Remember light pressure. Okay, so from here we are actually going to take from both sides, and we are going to encourage the lymph to come down into the ducts and to start to drain where they need to go. A light touch, and envision the lymphatic fluid draining down into the collarbone and into the armpits. So from here, we just want to finish off with some neck circles. Just circle your shoulders forward and back. And really squeeze when you come up and bring it all the way down. And the other way. Great job. Thanks for joining me. I hope this was beneficial for you for reducing the puffiness in your under eyes. If you would like this routine in a PDF format, then look for a link down below. I will create this routine in a PDF, as well as a few extra tips if you are tending to hold on to fluid that will help you to get rid of excess fluid in the body and hopefully reduce any puffiness that you see in your face or your under eyes. Thanks for joining me on this depuffing under eye massage. I think you'll enjoy some of the videos in this playlist next.